What are you eating, Morgan?
Chips.
Pardon?
Chips.
Chips? Where'd you get them? From Julie?
Yep.
Are you a little spoiled boy? And what's she getting you now?
A drink of water.
What are you gonna do with that now?
Where's the garbage?
It's out in the hallway
Where in the hallway?
by the printer.
Show me.
What do you say?
Please.
Okay. Should we end the video?
Yeah.
Okay, say this is Morgan signing off.
This is Morning signing off.
Till next time.
Till next time.
See you later.